went there, they know you can come with your swimming clothes. There's a swimming pool. Na ke rata metsi. A ke sa khone ke khona go shema mara ga ke khone, you understand? I'm still learning. I'm a beginner. You understand? Ke re okay nya, ke pakale na di swimming costume what why you are. Get there. Yo. There is this group of girlies that are very well known in Kimbali.
Yo.
They are very well known in Kimbali and like easy baba singing baba direngi banova. Baba easy ba unga ba rekisane bar ba kaitsa ngare ga ba rekisi ba bereka
and like fanju.
Those girlies are there. I'm being like, yo, I can say now. Aren't you the girlie from the Aura? You the girlie from the podcast? Kiri, yes. What? Uta one thing, you know. I'm busy on the same now. What happens here stays here.
Yeah.
Kay bosa kira, how do you? Kiri, kay follow that. But I'm there like, nah, man, gents. What is actually gonna happen here? Never fine. No, don't worry. We're just gonna go out, drink, what. Honali magutsu mera teng.
Magutsu.
Ba teng. Honwa body Moe, body Verve, body Henny. Honwa body Remy. It's nice. It's fun. Honali body helpers. Baba dirang body Tijo, lady finger foods.